Hello class, so welcome back to today mathematics class. So let's quickly dive into the solution of this question here from JAMB past question. So that I said out JAMB likely question and answer for this upcoming JAMB examination mathematics class. So if you're just joining up for the first time, be sure to subscribe, like, us think about in case what you have benefit like this, then will be the first one in five. Okay, so let's dive to it. Now, how do you attempt this question? If you see this question at the first place in this upcoming JAMB examination and also WAEC examination, how to solve this question like this? So let's dive to it. So look at the solution of it. Now, the first thing when you're asking the question, let me read the question. It's arranged in ascending order of magnitude. We have 2 6 base 8, 3 6 base 7, and 2 5 base 9. And we have our options already. You have the option A, B, C, 2, G. Now, how to solve this question in the first method? So the first thing you have to do here, let's look at the solution. The first thing to go to make is to convert it to base 10. You convert each number given to base 10. So how do you convert it? But for the sake of this video, I will use expansion method. Now, how do you use expansion method to solve this question? So let's take the first number we're given, that is 26 base 8, that is first number. Now let's convert this 26 base 8 to base 10. So that will be equal to, you take the first digit, that is 2, okay? You multiply by the base, that will be equal to what? 2 times 8. Plus, you take the second digit, that is 6. Multiply by the base again, that is 8. Now after you have expanded, the next here is to indicate the index. And now when I indicate the index will be indicated on top the base. So we start from 0. So that means that the first one at the right hand side there is base power of 0. That's 8 base power of 0. Now the next one it will be 8 base power of 1. The one is the base power of 1. Assume we start from that one, it will be base power of 2, 3, or to infinity to the last digit of number. Now this means that 2 times 8 base power of 1 plus 6 times 8 base power of 0. So let's come to this place. 8 base power of 1 is equal to 8 because anything that base power of 8 or anything that base power of 1 is that what thing. When a number base power of 1, it means that number. So therefore, this one becomes 2 times 8 plus the second thing here, we have 8 to the power of 0. The 8 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So according to the law of indices, anything that base power of 0 is always equal to 1. So therefore now we have 6 times 1. Now let's sum it together. 2 times 8, that's equal to 16, plus we have 2 means 1 times means 6 times 1, that will be equal to 6. Now 6 plus 16 plus 6, that's equal to 22 base 10. That simply means when you convert 2 6 base 8 is equal to 22 base 10. Now that is done. So let's take the next number, that is 36 base 7. The same process that will be equal to, you take the first digit, that is 3, okay, multiply by the base, that is 7. Plus, you take the second digit, that is 6, multiply by the base, that is equal to 7, right? So after you have expanded now, the next thing is to indicate the index on top the base. Start from 0, that be what is 0, okay? The second index to the second base is the base power of 1. As we start from that 1 into the base power of 2, that is another to the last digits. Now this simply means 7 base power of 1, it means 7. So this one becomes 3 times 7 plus. The next one, 7 base power of 0 is always equal to 1. Anything base power of 0 is equal to 1. So this one means that I have 6 times 1. Now let's multiply together. 6 times 7, that's equal to 21 plus. We have 6 times 1, that's equal to 6. Now 21 plus 6, that is equal to 27 base 10. So when you're converting, 3 6 base 7 is equal to 27 base 10. So that one is done. So let's go to the next one, that is 2 5 base 9. The same process that will be equal to, take the fourth digit, that is 2, multiply by the base, that is equal to what? 9. Plus, now take the second digit, that is 5, multiply by the base again, that is 9. Now after you have expanded, now you indicate the index starting from the right hand side and start from 0, that 9 is power of 0. The next one it will be 9 is power of 1. Now it means that 9 raised power 1 is equal to 9 and anything raised power 0 is equal to 1. So let's deal with this one. 2 times 9 raised power 0 is the same thing as 5 as 2 times 9 plus, and we have 5. 9 raised power 0 is equal to 1. So that is half of 5 times 1. Now 2 times 9, that's equal to 18 plus, we have 5 times 1, that's equal to 5. Now let's add it together. 18 plus 5, that's equal to 23 base 10. Okay, so that simply means that when you're converting 25 base 9 to base 10 is equal to 23 base 10. Now we have all converted the given data to base 10. Now what is the next thing? The next thing you have to do here now, let's say the smallest number here. The first smallest number here, we have 22, we have 23, we have 27. Now the smallest is 22. That is the first, because the question says that you arrange this word in ascending order. So we start from the smallest number to the highest number, and the smallest number here is 22. Now the next number is 23 base 10. Okay, so the last number is 27 base 10. Now this 22, it's converts from 28 base 26 base 8 was converted to 22 base 10. So the first number is to be equal to 26 base 8, that's the first one. Now the second one is to be equal to, we have 23 base 10, and what converts to 23 base 10 is 25 base 9. So that is the second one, and that will be second number. Now the last number is 27 base 10, and what converts to 27 base 10, it is 26 base, it is 36 base 7, and that is the third number. So when you look at the option now, you can see the option is option B. So that's the solution to this question, and that is how you solve a question like this. In case you see this question like this in this upcoming JAMB examination or WAEC examination, is very important. This is step by step, and I need to solve it. So don't forget to subscribe, like, or think about it. In case what your benefit like this, then will be the first one to find. God bless you as you share this video. More wisdom, knowledge, understanding. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.